Welcome everybody to Estadio BBVA in the beautiful Monterrey, Mexico. As Haiti host Mexico, Mexico missed out on that 2019 World Cup. They went out in the group stage, and they are on the brink of doing so again if they do not get a result here tonight. Or that's Sanchez. Now Mayor can't get it before it gets touched by Judy. Gumane to Louis. Louis through one tackle, and she gets pulled down, and that's gonna be a penalty for Haiti. But Sheba Louis has been a menace. And it's Stephanie Mayor who comes over to help Kenty Robles and just takes out Louis. Alvarado waiting for the kick. Roselord Bargella puts Haiti up 1-0. Her 19th international goal. And it very well may be the most important she ever scores. Bargella, tricky. She's gonna get the rebound! And it might get called back. Here's a good look at it off the throw-in. Bargella, tricky, juggles it, but here, she's offside. Rebecca Bernal into the wall. Sanchez just past the post. She wants a deflection, but she actually just pinged it straight into the ground. Here comes Bargella. It's exactly what Haiti wants. Transition, Bargella. She went near post, upper 90. She didn't miss by much. Now she wants to see her team score here from the other end of the pitch. Sanchez, Mayor scuffs it. Popped in between her feet, and she couldn't get her footing right. Help Mexico find an equalizer. Dumane, what a ball. Mondesir. Mondesir gets taken out, and that's another penalty for Haiti. It's gonna be a card for Alvarado. Dumane could not have played this ball any better. It holds up just enough to tempt Alvarado out of her box. Now the 23-year-old wants the back of the net. Will she find it? Mondesir puts it away, and Haiti's up by 2. Now Haiti's up by 2. Does look like they might be going to a 3-back, and that's gonna be a yellow card as Dumane gets taken out. As this is gonna get looked at. The only thing that it could be is a potential red card. Is she the last player is what they are saying. And here's the decision. She's gonna take away the yellow, and that is gonna be the end of the night for Greta Espinosa. And it just went from bad to worse. And you can see she's holding back the tears. And Shirley Judy over the ball. Right foot, Judy! Get out! Take a bow! That was beautiful! Alvarado was stretching to get there, but couldn't do anything about it. Judy knew all along. Judy with some handshakes. Haiti 3-0 winners over Mexico. Both these teams will play on Monday. Haiti against Jamaica for a spot in the World Cup, and Mexico against the United States to keep themselves alive